Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today I want to talk about why DJI will have to come up with Mini 3 by the end of this year or early next year. I don't think they have a choice, and I'll explain why. Let's talk about it right now. Okay, so DJI have so far done a pretty good job with their drone, with the Mini 2 coming out, which is probably the last drone I would want to get is the 250 grams drones or less. I think that's a very good drone. However, with the Mini 2, I was a bit disappointed. I thought they would have a follow me feature and optical avoidance within the front or maybe the back, but they don't have anything like that in the Mini 2. So I'm expecting, maybe the next version of it. But now with the Hepson, a company also that produces drone, Hepson came out with Mini Pro, Hepson Mini Pro, which has all the features that I wanted. Now I would have pulled the trigger to buy that drone, except it's a little bit more expensive. In addition, I trust in DJI for their, pretty good software technology. If DJI decide not to produce a sub 250 grams drones similar to Hepson within the end of next year, definitely I will consider Hepson as my new drone company. So I'm giving them a chance to do that. I know now that it is possible to produce a 250 grams or less drone that has a follow me feature, that has optical avoidance, and even a bigger sensor. If you look at the spec on the Hepson's sensor, the camera sensor, it's 1/1.3, which is more superior than the DJI Mini 2. So basically, in every case scenario, Hepson Mini Pro is definitely better than Mini 2. So I know it is possible. So DJI, if you're listening, you are falling behind. Thinking that maybe you will be in advance and ahead of the line, now you're somewhere in the middle. So I'm just waiting whether you're going to consider innovating instead of just updating. So please innovate and start producing Mini 3 soon, because probably by the end of next year or maybe mid next year, if you don't do that, well, you're losing a customer. As I said, my last drone would be a 250 grams drone that has the follow me features, 4K videos, and a bigger sensors. And Hepson's Mini Pro fit the criteria. They are innovating, even though they're a smaller company. They're showing their muscles. So tell me what you think, guys. Do you think that DJI will soon make Mini 3? I believe they will, unless of course they want to fall behind in innovation. And that's my take. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.